In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 5, and let me show you how to add photo to contact in this phone. So first of all, you need to enter your contact list. To do it, just click on Phone Dialer, go to Contacts, and select the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to. Then click on Edit icon, this with pen, and tap on this profile picture icon. Then you can either take a photo if someone is staying right in front of you, or you can choose something from your gallery. Now select if the picture that you would like to apply to Andrew, in my case to this contact, is located in a gallery or in a photos album. I will choose gallery. And now just select the picture that you want to add to this contact. Crop it either with gallery crop feature or Google photo crop feature, but I will choose gallery as well. Again, and here you can customize it, so it's up to you how it will look like. I will crop it this way and then click on save. You can tap on confirmation mark then, and that's it. From now on, this picture is assigned to Andrew, and anytime he will be calling me, I will see this profile picture at first. And this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.